Action proves our ability. Discipline reflects our dignity. But unity adds a beauty to life. Good morning, my dear judges and my dear students. I am Amina Mariyam standing in front of you to deliver a speech on the topic Unity among all humans is wonderful. Unity implies our teamwork where all of us cooperate together and work as one. What are the importance of unity? Unity is the key of peace. If unity is broken between nations, states, cities, villages, or even in between two individuals, it will spark a huge conflict resulting in enormous damages. Therefore, it is evident that how far the unity is important. Just like how a tiny little twig can be broken quite easily, and a stack of twigs cannot be broken without an effort. Just like that, a person who is alone can be defeated easily than a team with unity. Things that cannot be gained by solitude can be gained by unity. There are many examples to prove this. We can look back into the history of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka had been invaded by foreigners multiple times. But due to the unity among the country people and leaders, we were able to give our country the badge of freedom. Unity among us is also seen in many other places too. For instance, how nice it is to see a sports team win by the teamwork. Not only that, how much refreshing to see people work together at workplace, school and other places. The way unity makes us help each other, care about each other and worry about each other is definitely cannot be measured by words. Unity increases good qualities within us such as kindness and fellowship. So, for sure, unity among all humans is wonderful. Oh, time went fallen very hastily. Now, I would like to wind up my speech with a warm thank you. Thank you everyone for listening to my speech.